Binghatti is one of the largest property developers in the UAE, and I'm thrilled to show you one-of-a-kind project, Binghatti 1. Let's see it together. This project is located in Business Bay area. It's one of the last building in the Business Bay Canal. So you will get the waterfront view, 65 floors from 1 till 4 bedroom apartments available. And also on the ground floor there will be 10 townhouses with a high quality finishing, luxury amenities, balcony on each floor with beautiful view all around onto Dubai. 4 minutes to Burj Khalifa, 5 minutes to Business Bay Marina and 15 minutes to International Dubai Airport. We have easy payment plans and usually for such project we have 1 year installment. But for this specifically project we got 2 years installment. So for more information contact Imtilak Global.
Imtilak Global, your real estate destination in Dubai.